Welcome back to our culinary journey through Seoul. Today, we're visiting one of the city's oldest and most iconic spots, Gwangjang Market. This market is renowned for its street foods like won sundae, Korean blood sausage, Tteokbokki spicy rice cakes, Mayak kimbap addictive mini kimbap, and Yuho Korean-style raw beef. But let's be honest, these dishes, while popular, aren't exactly the best the city has to offer. However, Gwangjang Market still holds a special place in the hearts of many, especially for those who want to experience Seoul's vibrant street food scene. For tourists, it's often the first stop on their food journey. But if you're looking for something truly delicious in this historic market, let me introduce you to a hidden gem, Namme Deungshim's grilled pork neck, marinated in red seasoning. This dish isn't as famous as the market's other offerings, but trust me, it's worth seeking out. The pork neck, or mokshim as it's called in Korean, is marinated in a rich, spicy red pepper paste mixed with garlic, soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil. This gives the meat a beautiful balance of heat, sweetness, and umami. At Namme Deungshim, they know exactly how to cook this dish to perfection. The pork neck is grilled until it's slightly charred on the outside, giving it a smoky, caramelized flavor, while the inside remains juicy and tender. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, the savory depth from the marinade, the slight heat from the red pepper paste, and the natural sweetness of the pork. But here's something to keep in mind if you're new to Korean barbecue or grilling marinated meats. The key to getting that perfect char without burning the meat lies in controlling the heat. When grilling marinated meat, especially one with a sweet and spicy marinade, you want to make sure the grill is hot but not too high. If the heat is too intense, the sugars in the marinade can burn quickly, leaving the meat charred on the outside but undercooked on the inside. So, start with a medium heat and be patient. Let the meat cook evenly, turning it frequently to get that even, caramelized crust. And here's a cultural tip: in many Korean barbecue restaurants, the person grilling the meat is considered the chef of the table. It's a special role, and the success of the meal often depends on their grilling skills. At some places, the staff might assist you, but usually, it's up to you to cook the meat to your liking. It's not just a meal, it's a shared experience, where everyone gets involved in the cooking process. So, don't be shy, take the tongs and get grilling. The dish is usually served with a side of freshly sliced onions and green chili peppers, which you can use to add a bit of crunch and extra heat to each bite. Wrap a piece of the pork neck in a fresh lettuce leaf. With some rice, add a dollop of samjang, a thick, spicy paste, and you've got a mouthful of pure Korean barbecue heaven. What makes this dish even more special is the atmosphere at Namme Deungshim. It's a small, unassuming spot in the bustling market, but the quality of the food here is exceptional. The owners have been perfecting this recipe for years, and it shows in every bite. It's not just a meal, it's a taste of Seoul's rich culinary heritage. So, if you find yourself wandering through Gwangjang Market, and you're not quite sold on the more famous street foods, I highly recommend making your way to Namme Deungshim. Skip the sundae and Tteokbokki and try this mouth-watering grilled pork neck instead. You won't be disappointed. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures around Korea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.